Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance. My name is Kevin Tan.
And I'm Max. Today we are back here to show you this unique Inter-Terrace in this highly sought after Sembawang Hill Estate in District 20. Come, let's go in.
Sitting on the land size of 2,650 square feet and a huge build-up of approximately 6,500 square feet.
This huge terrace was rebuilt about 5 years ago under the envelope control guidelines. With a high ceiling of 5.3 meters, spanning up to 4 stories, and it allows the owners to park up to 4 cars.
With 5 spacious ensuite bedrooms, this house features a motorized retractable glass roof which allowed added ventilation and natural lighting. The house is also future-proof with a lift provision space right over here.
It's also within walking distance to Gelenggang Park and the Sembawang Hill Food Centre, which serves you with various fantastic choices of food. Within minutes walk to the Upper and Lower Pierce Reservoir for those who love hiking on the nature trail. Besides that, you can easily walk to the nearest Mayflower MRT and be spoiled for food choices at Mayflower Food Centre and wet markets for the whole family groceries. There are various bus stops just within less than 5 minutes away that takes you to all parts of the island. It is also within 1 kilometer of St. Nicholas Girls' School. We are just 5 minutes drive away from Thomson Plaza and Ang Mo Kio Hub for the whole family hangouts.
Get in touch with our listing manager Linda Teo at 9847 7772 to schedule for an exclusive viewing for this unit. AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed properties.